What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test waterproof socks. Check out all these little things that they can be used for. A lot of people complain about it. One time I have put to the test socks like that 7 years ago, that it would feel like you're wearing two plastic bags. But they were very wrong, because yes, if you will be hiking in it all day, it probably will create a lot of heat capture, but it will not feel like wearing two plastic bags. This time I'm gonna take him inside out. As you can see, it's not a plastic bag. It's also on this side feels like a material. So yes, it will probably make you hotter in this kind of socks, but think of all these uses you could be using for, in case you are going to get wet, like hiking and stuff like that. That could be useful. Also, it's for water park. If you want to wear socks in a swimming pool, you could be wearing those instead of flip-flops, I guess. I don't know. So I would say again, decide for yourself. If your feet sweat easily, it's probably not for you. If you don't have a sweaty feet problem, could be pretty useful. Wow, they tight. And you know what's cool? The other thing, they not feel like plastic bag, they're stretchy, and there's a little bit of space there. But wow, this is cool. They look beautiful too. Pretty easy to put it on as well. Does create a little bit of a air pocket. That's funny. But anyways, feels super tight and stretchy. Feels super comfortable. Feels like they're a little bit better the ones that I put to the test years ago. First of all, let's say you're camping, you wake up, you don't want to put shoes on. All this grass is wet from the rain or from the dew. And guess what? I'm not feeling anything. I don't have to worry about bugs. And I don't have to worry about putting the shoes around the camp. So first of all, camp approved. Also, there's a little stream right here going on. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to step into it. See what I feel like. It is going to be mountain. Very cold, what do you call it, stream. And guess what, I'm not even feeling the cold stream. It's kind of keeps the cold away from it. And they kind of mud repellent almost, and water repellent. The actual fabric, as you can see, it is repellent. Wow, no way. Okay, the mud did get to it on the first layer of fabric a little bit. But look at that, it's washed off. You see all that mud I'm putting on my sock? Let's see if it's easy to wash them off in a stream as well. So yeah, don't have to worry about mud because it's kind of repelling it. Don't have to worry about stream. So I think this is perfect for going to the beach on a hot sand protect you, walking around the camp. Let's say you're in the forest, this is beautiful. And kind of protects you from all these prickly things as well, because it's a thick socks. Look, there's mud. Getting my feet all the way into the mud. Wow. It is mud repellent too. That's amazing. Look at that. Prickles, I'm not even feeling it. So yeah, let's go wash them off, see if it will work. Feels good to even run in those socks. You see all the prickles in here? I don't feel it. In the forest, no problem. Okay, a little bit more water over here. Let's try to wash them off. Wow, look at that. That mud is actually coming off. I do feel the cold of the water, but not that much. And that water is freezing. What I would do is just flip them over, and look at that. Clean socks, no water in here. This dirty feet, because I've been playing over here in the forest for a little bit, making videos from the other socks. So yeah, because I wasn't wearing waterproof socks, the dirt got into it anyways. So yeah, pretty awesome, super clean. Check this out. Love these socks. Till you wash them, or if you want to dry them out, you can put them another way out. But for now I want to capture all the dirt inside of these socks.